Hello friends, today in chapter 3 matrices, exercise 3.2 further we will see the question 15 onwards. So question 15 is the given a equals to 2 to 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 1, 3, 0 and find a square minus 5a plus 6i. So first we want a square. So a square means a into a means 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 into 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. So these two matrices we multiply, then we will get 2 multiply 2 for 0 multiply 2, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, 2 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 1, 1, 1 multiply minus 1, minus 1, again sorry, 2 multiply 0, 0, 0 multiply 1, 0 and 1 multiply minus 1, minus 1, 2 multiply 1, 2, 0 multiply 3, 0 and 1 multiply 0, 0, 2 multiply 2, 4, 1 multiply 2, 2, 3 multiply 1, 3, 2 multiply 0, 0, 1 multiply 1, 1 and 3 multiply minus 1, that is minus 3, 2 multiply 1, 2, 1 multiply 3, 3, 3 multiply 0, then 0, 1, 2 multiply 2, 1, that is 2, minus 1 multiply 2, minus 2, 0 multiply 1, 0, 1 multiply 0, 0, minus 1 multiply 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Sorry, 1 multiply 0, 0, minus 1 multiply 1, minus 1, 0 multiply minus 1, that is 0, 1 multiply 1, 1, minus 1 multiply 3, minus 3, 0 multiply 0, 0. And so a square value we will get 4 plus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Now we find out a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square is equals to 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2, minus 5 into a, that is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 and 6 I mean 6 into 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 as I is the identity matrix for 3 cross 3. So we here simplify, then 5 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 6 into 1, 6 minus 1 minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 6 into 0, 0, 2 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 and 6 into 0, 0, 9 minus 5 into 2 minus 10 and 6 into 0, 0, minus 2 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 and 6 into 1, 6, 5 minus 5 into 3 minus 15 and 6 into 0, 0, 0, minus 5 into 1 minus 5 and 6 into 0, 0, minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1 plus 5 and 6 into 0, 0, minus 2 minus 5 into 0, 0 and 6 into 1, 6. So the final answer we will get 5 plus 6 is 11 minus 10, 1 minus 1 minus 3, 9 minus 10 minus 1, minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1, 10 and here minus 5, 4 and 4. Sorry, here I minus 15 will be minus 10. Now we have question number 16. A matrix is given 3 cross 3 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Then find a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2y equals to 0 matrix. Like that way we have to prove. So to find out a cube, first we have to find out a square. A square means a into a means 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 into 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. So matrix multiplication we take then 1 into 1 1 0 into 0 0 2 into 2 4 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 2 into 0 0 then 1 into 2 2 0 into 1 0 and 2 into 3 6 0 into 1 0 2 into 0 0 1 into 2 2 0 into 0 0 2 into 2 4 1 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 2 into 1 2 1 into 3 3 2 into 1 2 0 into 0 0 3 into 2 6 2 into 0 0 0 into 2 0 3 into 0 0 2 into 2 4 0 into 1 0 and 3 into 3 9. And so we have 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 30. Now to find out a cube means a square into a. So it will be a square we got 508 2 4 5 8 0 30 and a we have 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3. Again these two matrices we multiply, then 5 ones are 5 0 1 0 are 0 8 2s are 16 5 0s are 0 0 2s are 0 and 8 zeros are 0 5 2s are 10 0 1s are 0 8 3s are 24. Now second row we multiply, then 2 1s are 2 4 zeros are 0 5 2s are 10 2 zeros are 0 4 2s are 8 5 zeros are 0 2 2s are 4 4 1s are 4 5 3s are 15 8 1s are 8 0 zeros are 0 30 2s are 26 8 zeros are 0 0 2s are 0 13 zeros are 0 8 2s are 16 0 1s are 0 13 3s are 39. And so we get 16 plus 5 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 and 55. Now let's find a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2y. So here a cube means 21 0 34 12 8 23 34 0 55 minus 6a square. So 6 a square is 5 0 8 2 4 5 8 0 13 plus 7a means a, that is given 1 0 2 0 2 1 2 0 3 and plus 2i means 2 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So we simplify then 21 minus 6 5 is 30 plus 7 1 is 7 and plus 2 1 is 2. Here 0 minus 6 0 is 0 plus 7 0 is 0 plus 0. Here 34 minus 6 8 is 48 plus 7 2 is 40 plus 2 0 is 0. Here we can write 12 minus 6 2 is 12 plus 7 0 is 0 2 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 4 is 24 plus 7 2 is 14 plus 2 2 is 1 is 2. And here 23 minus 6 5 is 30 plus 7 1 is 7 plus 2 0 is 0. 34 minus 6 8 is 48 plus 7 2 is 14 plus 2 0 is 0. Here 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Here 55 minus 78 36 plus 21 and plus 2. So we can see that 21 plus 7 28 plus 2 30 minus 30 0 0. 34 and 48 0 minus 0 48 so 0. 12 minus 12 0. 24 minus and 14 plus 8 22 plus 2 is 24 so again 0. 23 and 7 30 minus 30 0 0 0 and 0 so all the entries are 0 so is equals to 0 matrix 0. Now here it is given that question 17 equals to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 y equals to 1 0 0 1 find k such that a square equals to ka minus 2y. So it is given a square equals to ka minus 2y. So a square equal plus 2y equals to k into a. So a square plus 2y we will so in the a scalar product format. So first we want a square. So a square equals to 3 minus 2 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2 4 minus 2. To matrix multiplication we do then 3 3 is 9 plus minus 2 into 4 minus 8 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 4 into 3 12 minus 2 into 4 minus 8 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 and so our a square value will be 1 minus 2 4 and minus 4. So now a square minus a square plus 2y it will be 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 plus 2i so 2 into 1 0 0 1 so it will be 1 minus 2 4 minus 4 plus 2 0 0 2 so 1 plus 2 3 minus 2 4 and minus 4 plus 2 it will be minus 2 so is equals to 1 into a and so k equals to 1.